Yeah.
Sometimes it's like I met him yesterday. Waltzes in with just a smile down to play. Seems to be the name on everybody's lips. And I kept saying that I wouldn't fall for it. But then, quicker than a flash, he had me at hello. He took me by the hand, we started dancing slow. Didn't wanna get attached, but now I'm far too close. And he knows just what he's doing. I didn't know when I met Valentino, I was giving him control over me. Now I'm stuck in his melody. Let me go, Valentino. You're not getting any more out of me. I don't want your cruel melody.
He knew what to say to sweep me off my feet. I should have never heard a word he said to me. I was comfortable in ignorance is bliss, 'cause I told myself I wouldn't fall for it. But then, quicker than a flash, he had me at hello. He took me by the hand, we started dancing slow. Didn't wanna get attached, but now I'm far too close. And he knows just what he's doing. I didn't know when I met Valentino, I was giving him control over me. Now I'm stuck in his melody. Let me go, Valentino. You're not getting any more out of me. I don't want your cruel melody. Don't want it. I don't want your cruel melody. Oh no, oh no. Ooh, yeah. Don't want it. Ooh, don't want it. Yeah.
I should have known not to trust Valentino.
I should have known not to trust Valentino.
Well, tonight we're saying goodbye, Valentino. We know just what you're doing.
Just try
I
it.
didn't know when I met Valentino, I was giving him control over me. Now I'm stuck in his melody. Let me go, Valentino. Valentino. Out of me, I don't want your melody. I should have known not to trust Valentino. I should have known not to trust Valentino. Let me go, Valentino. You're not getting any more out of me. I don't want your cruel melody.